Ramanujan for G is now available on the Google Play Store. Try it out for free.
Good morning, students. So today we'll start with the positions of two circles, right? Positions of two circles. So first is the we'll take for the position which is do not intersect or one out of side the other. It means first we'll draw the diagram. It's a circle. This radius let it be C1. Here it's C2 point and this point number hat is here. Okay. So what we can do is condition is C1, C2 is greater than R plus R2, R1 plus R2, right? So the number of common tangents is 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of common tangents is equals to 4. Okay, this is our first position. So you can copy that the given criteria is uh, position is do not intersect or one outside the other. Okay, and the C1, C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. Okay, and the number of common tangents we are getting is the 4. Okay, so all you need to copy this first, and we'll go to the second part, which is C1, C2 is less than modulus of the R1 minus of R2. Okay, so the second, that is C1, C2 is less than modulus of R1 minus of R2. Okay, so position is one inside the other, one inside the other. So this is the first circle. This is the second. C1, this C2. Okay. So here we are not finding any this common tangent. So we can write number of common tangents will be number of common tangents is equals to 0, because here we are not getting any this common tangents, right? Similarly, we can take one more here, which is C1 C2 is equals to R1 plus R2. So that means this is external touch, right? This is the external touch. So external touch will be like this: first circle and the second. This is T2. This we can take C1 and the C2, and here it's a T. So 1, 2, and 3. So total of 3 tangents we are getting. So number of common tangents is equals to 3, right? So in the second case, what we have done, C1, C2 is less than R1 minus of R2. Okay, so where uh, first circle is here and the second is inside, so the position is one inside the other. So here we are not getting any common tangents. The number of common tangents will be 0. Similarly, for the third case, C1, C2 is equals to R1 plus of R2, right? So here the circle are touching externally. So that means we will get number of common tangents is 3, because this one middle one and two these ones. Okay. So the number of common tangents is equal to 3. Okay. So this two properties is the topic. Then we'll move to the next. Okay. The fourth one is C1, C2 is equals to R1 minus of R2. C1, C2 is equals to R1 minus R2. That means these are internally touching, right? So let me draw a circle first. This is the first circle, and this is the second. So here it's C2, it's C1. Circle is like this. So in this case, number of common tangents we are getting is only 1. So we can write number of common tangents is equals to 1. Only one common tangents we are getting, right? Now the last one is they can ask in the exam, like they can give the condition like this: R1 minus R2 is less than C1 C2 is less than R1 plus R2. So they will give this condition and will ask you the how many number of common tangents will pass through this circle condition. Okay, that means first when you look at this, you will get to know that it is at the position of intersection. It is at the position of intersection of at two real points. Now, intersection at two real points, that means, and the second circle. This is they both will touch. So the figures are not to scale. Okay, so here C1, somehow we have C2, and intersection points are A and B. So the number of common tangents we are getting to only. We can't draw any other tangents here and here. Here. Okay, so total number of common tangents will be 2. So we can write number of common tangents is equals to 2, right? So in the fourth condition, what we have done, C1, C2 is given. So which is C1, C2 is equals to modulus of R1 minus R2. That means circle will touch internally. C2 circle will touch internally. So the number of common tangents we can draw 1. Okay, so the answer is 1. Now the last one, very important. The given condition is R1 minus R2, which is less than C1, C2, and similarly less than of R1 plus of R2. Here, in this case, both the circle are intersecting each other. Okay, so which is intersecting at the two real points, means A and B, which we have taken. So in this case, we are getting two tangents. We can't draw the third one from the middle side, right? So as we have done in the third case, yeah, third case. So with this, we can say these two tangents are the common tangents. So the number of common tangents will be 2 here. Okay. Now I will discuss 3 points here first. Then we'll proceed to 2 more points later. Okay. So the first is the point of intersection. Point of intersection of common tangents. So that means that the points T1 and T2 means the points of intersection, points of intersection of indirect and direct common tangents, which divide C1, C2 internally and externally in the ratio of R1 is to R2, right? So here points both T1 and T2 means the point of intersection of indirect and the direct common tangents divide C1, C2 internally and externally in the ratio of R1 is to R2. This is the important property. Similarly, we are having equation of common tangents at a pair of contact. At the pair of contact. That means S1 minus So we are taking the equation of common tangent. Okay, a pair of contact. So here we write the mathematical form. So it means it will be S1 minus S2 will be 0. Right? Now, third point is the point of contact. Point of contact. Okay. So the point of the contact C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 means internally we are talking for the internally point of contact. Yeah, point of contact we can take for internal as well as the external. So the point of contact C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally or the externally as they we can take any case. Okay, we can write the point of contact C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally or externally as the case may be. As the case may be. Okay, so this was all about the circle, right? So now what we will do, we'll discuss all the important points again. Okay. Because in the next lecture, we'll start with the solved examples. Okay. So you'll get to know the how questions asked in hints pattern and all these things. Okay. So here today we'll discuss some important points. Okay. So the first is locus of midpoint of chord of circle x square plus y square is equals to a square, which subtends an angle alpha at the center is x square plus y square is equals to a cos alpha by 2 whole square. Right? This is important. We have discussed it earlier also. The locus of midpoint of a chord of circle x square plus y square is an angle alpha at the center, which is x square plus y square, which is x square plus y square, x square plus y square is equals to a cos alpha by 2 whole square. Okay. Next point, a variable point moves in such a way, in such a way that sum of square of distances from vertices of triangle remains constant then its locus is a circle whose center is centroid of triangle. Whose center is centroid of triangle. right? Next, we can take if the points where the line a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0 meets the coordinate axis are concyclic, then a1 a2 is equals to b1 of b2. This property also we have discussed in some previous lectures. Next is if line Lx plus My plus n is equals to 0 is a tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equals to a square. Then a square l square m square is equals to n square. Similarly, the next is if radius of given circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0, the r and it touches both axes. G is equals to f of under root c is equals to r. Next, if the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0, such as x-axis and y-axis, then g square is equals to c, f square is equals to also c. Right. Next is the length of common chord of circle. Length of common chord of circle. That means x minus a whole square plus y square is equals to a square, and x square plus y minus b square is equals to b square. So solving this, you will get 2ab divided by under root of a square plus b square. So the length of common chord of the circles is x minus a whole square plus y square is equals to a square, and x square plus y minus b whole square is equals to b square is 2ab divided by under root a square plus of b square, right? Next thing, if tangents two tangents drawn from the origin to circle, it is x square plus y square plus 2bx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0, and are perpendicular to each other, then c square plus f square is equals to 2c. G square plus f square is equals to 2c. That means if two tangents drawn from the origin to the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0, and both are perpendicular to each other, and equations will be v square plus f square is equals to 2c. Right. Next is if the line y is equals to mx plus c is a normal normal to circle with radius r and center at AB, then we can say C is equals to MA plus C. B is equals to MA plus of C, right? That means if the line y is equals to mx, it's normal to the circle of radius r and center is at 8b. So the equation is B is equals to MA plus C. Okay, you can put the all the points, so you can calculate your answer some questions, because these are very important points which we are describing here, like these and these. Okay, so all these points are very important, so you need to remember. Next, if a tangent to circle, the tangents to circle x square plus y square is equals to r square at point AB, meets the coordinate axis at a point A and B, and O is origin. Then area of triangle OAB is R4 by 2AB, right? Similarly, the next thing, if uh, O is origin and OP OQ are tangents to circle, which is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. Then circumcenter of triangle OPQ is z by 2 and minus of f by 2. Okay, so I think all of the points we have covered, right? So with this, we can wind up this lecture here. Okay. So, okay. So next class we'll start with the solved example for this circle part. Okay. So thank you guys.